Using Tally for accounts, but still struggling to manage inventory? Manufacturers often face difficulties to track raw materials from procurement to production. Manual entries lead to delays, mistakes, and higher costs. Introducing Smart Factory, a cloud-enabled Tally-integrated ERP solution customized specifically for manufacturing industry. Multi-level BOM ensures accurate material planning and product costing. Manage purchase processes seamlessly. Track order-based manufacturing of your finished goods. Auto-posting of GRN and delivery notes from report level reduces manual errors. Track customer orders from inquiry to delivery. Integrated finance modules provide real-time financial visibility. As Smart Factory is natively integrated with Tally, you can simply share your data backup with your chartered accountant for smooth return filing. Enjoy a 7-day free trial. Smart Factory, a trusted solution by Softdale Consultancy Services Private Limited. Book your personalized demo today